Hi, this is Tom at MarineMax Kent Island. I'd like to show you this brand new boat we just got in stock. It's a Scout 220 XSF. It's a new model for Scout, replacing the 215 XSF. So it's a little bit longer, a little over 22 feet. This boat in particular, you can see it has the new Alpine gray color and full hull option. It's a beautiful boat. Let's come aboard, give you a look around. So some of the upgrades from the 215 XSF is the swim platform is larger, as you can see in the back. This one's powered by a 200 horsepower V6 Mercury outboard, 4-stroke. As we climb on board, you can see the first thing that strikes me is the new lighting here, the courtesy lights, LED rope lighting up there in the underneath the hardtop, and the new molded in stereo speakers. There's 4 speakers up there in the hardtop, which is a great new addition, and certainly spreads the sound much better. In the stern of this new 220 XSF model from Scout, we've got the fold down seat, as you can see, just aft of the leaning post. It's a very nice leaning post. This particular boat is what we call Midnight Edition. You can see that it has black accents on the rails and the leaning post, and of course the hardtop supports and the underside of the hardtop. It's got a large igloo, 60-quart igloo cooler underneath the leaning post. As we move forward, great new seat. This is the new Scout upholstery made by Sunbrella. They're saying that it's much less susceptible to fading and easier to keep clean. And so it's a little lighter shade than the tan. It still has a light tan and then a lighter offset white accent. And so you've got seat bolsters at the center console with a footrest down below if you want to sit and drive. At the helm here, you've got a Garmin 943 XSV Garmin display. We've got the new Seastar trim controller. It's very intuitive. Whatever way the boat is leaning, you just counteract it by rotating this bezel. It's got, of course, a Fusion Bluetooth stereo, pinnacle tilting wheel, of course, storage, USB ports, 3 of them in the dash for charging phones, etc. There's a very large storage area in the center console. You can put a porta potty in there as desired. Moving up forward, becoming quite popular now in all Scouts is this large sunbed just forward of the center console. Families really love that. And then, of course, it creates massive storage underneath for your life jackets or whatever else you'd like to put it there. It is insulated with a drain if you want to use it as a fish box. Traditional center console bow seating with backrests, removable backrests if you want to go fishing and think they might be in the way. Very comfortable seating. Again, very supple. This new material that they've come out with is a wonderful upgrade. And then up in the bow, you got your bow rod cup holders, of course, and then anchor storage. And then one look back aft, and again, you can see that beautiful new courtesy lighting up underneath the hardtop, which is a huge upgrade from the 215 Scout that it replaced. But same beam as the 215, 8.5 feet, but a little bit bigger boat, and happy to say that it's pretty much at the same price point as the 215 XSF that it replaced. It's approximately a 50-mile-an-hour boat with this 200 horsepower Mercury V6. Wonderful boat. Again, this one's an Alpine Gray, full hull color. Just arrived at our store in Kent Island here in this month of February 2026. We'd love to have you come by. We're today at the Baltimore Boat Show, but the boat will be back in Kent Island, ready to show here. And as soon as the boat show ends, we'd love to have you come by and take a look. Again, my name is Tom with MarineMax Kent Island. Love to have you come over and see this new Scout.